For all those who don't know me, my name is Dwani Gala. I am the founder and owner at Oh Mind Your Body, where we deliver fresh homemade salads across Mumbai. So today the topic of the 24 series that we are doing is how to have healthy hair. Are you excited for that? Type in the chat box, guys. Shoot in all your questions. We have our very own special nutritionist and dietitian Riya Doshi answering all of these questions. She is the founder and owner at Yellow Bowl, where they talk and they give you holistic approach towards your health and lifestyle, and she is an ace in DNA genetics diet base. So let's get started. Let me have her and let me pin the comment of what is the topic today. We are going to be talking about foods for healthy hair. So I'm just pinning down the comment, and for all those participants who are joining in later, and I'll just have it pinned. Just give me a moment, guys. Yeah, I've pinned it, and let me just invite Riya. Hi Riya, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am awesome. Thank you.
All right.
So how was your day?
So, my day was hectic, but I am loving it.
Yeah.
Just getting back on work and really getting involved and engrossed in work is something that I love to do. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing.
So
Just
yeah, I
busy.
was just introducing about a topic, and you so quickly, without wasting anyone's time, let's get started and let's
Let's get
unveil
started.
the secrets to healthy hair and foods to eat basically for healthy hair. You know how internal nutrition plays such an important role in our external part of our being. So
Exactly.
let's get started, and let me quickly ask you, what is exactly healthy hair?
Okay. So first I would like to tell you hair. Hair is a very, very important part of our body. It defines our look. Okay. And trust me, most of the time it defines our mood too. If you have a good hair day, you're very confident, you're happy. If there is one bad hair day, you may be grumpy. Okay. So, managing your hair is a skill, is an art, and is something that I think everyone wants to know. Trust me, Dhwani, when people just started knowing that I'm going to talk about healthy hair, okay, they got so excited and they were like, no, we really want to know it, and we're going to join you in the live.
Wow,
So yes,
that is
I'm
amazing. I
excited
agree
too.
with you on that.
Yeah, I'm excited too speaking about it. All right. And see, basically hair, healthy hair or skin. I'm telling you, last time I spoke about skin, glowing skin. Today I'm going to speak about healthy hair. And trust me, they both go hand in hand. The vitamins, the minerals, the food, the care that we need to do, okay, they are all hand in hand. And that is something, basically healthy hair or healthy skin or your mood comes from the way you eat, what you eat. It's a reflection of what you're eating every day. मेरी स्किन कितनी अच्छी है या मेरे बाल कितने अच्छे हैं एग्जैक्टली वो बताता लोगों को बताता है कि how healthy I eat. Okay, a healthy hair is basically defined as something which is shining, lustrous, okay, something that makes you happy, something that has good elasticity, doesn't break very easily, all right, and is manageable. Very important, which is manageable, and you love it. So that's the definition of healthy hair without any skin disorders or scalp disorders. Dandruff nahi hai. So yes, that's the definition of healthy skin according to me.
That's great. So let's get quickly started with our next question is, what foods to eat for healthy hair?
अरे बहुत लंबा टॉपिक है ये. So I will what I have done is I've concised this topic because there's lot many things, and to tell you on the first place that is not one food that will define कि ये खाने से आपके बाल अच्छे होंगे या ये चीज लगाने से आपके बाल अच्छे हो जाएंगे. No, there is not one thing that define. Yes, of course, over and above, there are a lot of factors that affect healthy hair. before jumping into the food, okay, I want to talk a little bit about why your hair becomes unhealthy or what is responsible कि hair का growth बहुत slow होता है. There is thinning of hair or hair loss for that matter. All right. So first thing is excessive competition. The way my hair looks, I mean, इतना हम treatment करवाते हैं hair पे, external treatment, so we forget कि originally मेरे बाल कैसे थे, like literally, okay? So that is one of the major cause of damage to your hair, okay? Second thing is, less intake of healthy food and higher intake of junk food. ओके सो फास्ट फूड जंक फूड अरे इतना खा लिया तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार पानी पूरी आज खा ली ना क्या फर्क पड़ता है कुछ फर्क पड़ता है alright so that shows on your hair and skin and dieting without any kind of proper assistance okay it affects your hair if you're self dieting you will see yourself कि आपके बाल झड़ रहे हैं you are having skin issues eruptions so these are some of the major causes कि there will be a lack of nutrition okay and your hair will start self damaging your scalp will show it so that is the reason there is a lot of issues among youngsters these days जो हम पुराने generation में देखते थे our parents or our grandparents they used to have graying of hair at a much later age okay and now just look at that I mean a 20-year-old having graying or thinning of hair is not an issue so initially हमें identify करना होगा why and what is the problem if it is nutritionally related then definitely it can be solved another thing is कि hormones okay your hormones decide कि आपके बाल का growth कैसा है and आपके बाल कितने जल्दी झड़ेंगे okay so if your hormones are not balanced you need to check that internally all right diabetes or any other health condition okay will be responsible for hair loss so if once you identified this then you go and you focus on the nutrition that you have so what are the nutrients that is responsible number one your hair your every hair strand is made up of protein keratin okay that's building blocks okay so बहुत जरूरी है protein वाला खाना खाना where is protein for all the non-vegetarian non-veg has a lot of protein including eggs okay eggs and fish are way healthier sources of and lean cuts of chicken are way healthier sources in non-veg when it comes to vegetarian soybean dal pulses your nuts your oil seeds they are very rich source of proteins okay even some vegetables like broccoli it's a very good source of protein okay
Right.
second vitamin is vitamin B7 called as vitamin H okay which is called as biotin let me not complicate it it's biotin okay now biotin is very very important for hair your skin and for your nails where do you get biotin from your dairy products okay your milk your dahi your chaash your lassi your paneer your tofu you will get biotin you will get from the nuts and the seeds your nuts are your walnuts your pistachio your badam your oil seeds like flax seeds very good source of biotin all right your sesame seeds so it is very important that kisi ki na kisi tarah se you should include it in your daily diet all right avocado very good source, not of only biotin, but good fats, that is omega-3, 6 fatty acids. Very important for the health of your hair or skin. Cauliflower and mushrooms. So I've been very specific about the sources of biotin. Extremely important. Try newer ways to inculcate them. अगर आपको कोई रास्ता नहीं सूझ रहा है कि मैं उसको कैसे inculcate करूँ, contact Dhwani. She is extremely good into how all these foods can be made very, very interesting. Okay.
Thank you so much for this, Ria.
Yeah, definitely. And then comes your iron. Iron बहुत जरूरी है आपका जो hair loss हो रहा है और there is weak strands of hair. Basically, if आपके खून में iron की कमी है, oxygen will not reach your scalp. Okay, जिसके वजह से it hampers or retards the growth of your hair. And that is the reason Okay, in short, यार, your hair doesn't breathe and things don't breathe. उसका क्या होता है पता है ना आपको, right? So,
Right.
so this is what happens. So iron, spinach जैसा कोई source नहीं है, and it's not only spinach. There are so many different, the beans, the flax seeds, the soya bean, the dals. They have iron in it. Jaggery has iron in it. So go for it. Okay. Very important and highly neglected food is vitamin B12 and D. Okay, brother है दोनों, very neglected at the same time. Generally, generally non-vegetarians do not have this vitamin B12 deficiency. Again, it depends on a lot of other factors. But B12 बहुत जरूरी है. जब आपके शरीर में B12 काफी अच्छा होता है, the absorption of iron is very good. ओके
Yes.
और ये विटामिन B12 आयन आयन के एब्जॉर्प्शन के लिए यू नीड विटामिन सी which is very important. So you understand there is a chain reaction of every vitamins and minerals that you have in your body. One is probably dependent on the other.
Yes.
So you cannot
This is
neglect. So
very
that's
well
why.
said, I think. Sorry to interrupt you, but I think
No,
this
no,
is so
please.
well said. Like one vitamin is so important because it has multiple byproduct तो बोल सकते ही है, but there are a lot of different types of functions that it has to perform, and it aids in others' functions. It's like a
Exactly.
task that has 3 tasks in it. If you don't complete one task, the end task is automatically affected.
Oh, absolutely. And that's why I said, one food is not enough. You have to have multiple, a group of foods, which is really, really important. Just अगर आप पोहा खा रहे हो, which is a very good source of protein, iron, add little lime on it, जो हम करते हैं traditionally. You know why we do that? It is rich in vitamin C. It uptakes the iron very easily. Okay, I would highly recommend have a lot of sweet potatoes in your food. Sweet potatoes high in fiber, high in vitamin C, high in vitamin A and biotin. Okay, very good food for your hair. So, guys, I think you should really, really work upon inculcating these foods. Traditionally, ये सारा खाना, you don't have to go and buy, the special quinoa and stuff like that. But जो Indian खाना है, just go for it because that is something that will make a difference. Okay. Yeah, so coming to vitamin B12, vegetarians क्या करेंगे? आप fermented खाना खाते हैं, idli, dosa, Gujaratis have handwa, right? So all these foods are rich source of vitamin B12. Okay, sprouts. Okay, something that is kept overnight, उसमें friendly bacteria हो जाते हैं, which is a source of vitamin B12. So very important. B12 क्यों इतना जरूरी है? Because formation of new food, new cells होता है. Cell का growth is dependent on vitamin B12. Okay, your milk, your dahi has vitamin B12. Okay, so go for it. Even your seafood, in fact, your seaweeds like spirulina, kelp. I don't know if you have heard of these foods. They're very easily available in the market. Very good source of protein, very good source of iron, very good source of vitamin B12. Okay, so go for it. Another very, 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 very important source, and we cannot neglect this. Just skin में भी नहीं कर सकते. And very elaborately, I have specified these foods, that is antioxidant food, that is vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. Okay, बाहर का जो pollution है, हम जो मस्ती करते हैं हमारे बालों पे, कलर लगाना, ये लगाना, वो लगाना, different types of shampoo and conditioner use करना. So all this, इसका एक protection भी चाहिए हमें, right? So all this protection is from these vitamins, okay? And so these vitamins are extremely important. Vitamin A, sweet potato, pumpkin seeds, okay, your carrots, any orange color vegetables basically. All right, and vitamin C and E बहुत बहुत जरूरी है. You can refer back to my post. I have given an elaboration of vitamin of these foods individually, so you can go through them. All right, and last but not the least is zinc. Okay, zinc is a mineral जो ज़्यादातर लोगों को पता नहीं है. Okay, zinc has come into limelight abhi because it increases your immunity. But what about having it as a hair food? Okay, so for non-vegetarians, shellfish, meat is a very good source of zinc. But हम vegetarians के लिए nuts and oil seeds, all your nuts and oil seeds are very very good sources. And sprouts, कच्चा मत खाइए, don't have it raw, आप हल्का सा steam करके ले सकते हो. But one bowl of sprouts, trust me, it is a powerhouse of a lot of vitamins and minerals. So इन सब में आपको ये जो भी मैंने आपको बताया, it everything also has omega 3, which is very very important for your skin, for your hair, and for your nails and brain. So it is a package of all these things. हाँ, my God, कितना बोल दिया ना.
But I think there's so much of vital information that you shared. I think no one will ever be able to give it so elaboratively. So thank you for that. So we'll just
No.
quickly take some questions that were there,
Sure.
and then we'll proceed. So someone is asking, is lettuce good for hair?
Any leafy greens are good for hair because it has iron, it has vitamin A. Okay, so it is very healthy. And let me tell you, any kind of vegetables, any kind of fruits, they are live foods, they are real foods. So extremely important for the health of your skin and of your hair. Go for it, even without thinking once.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. So we'll proceed to our very next question, which is what foods to avoid for healthy hair?
What foods to avoid? That's a good question actually. सबसे पहले तो जंक फूड जो मैंने शुरू में बता दिया था, जंक फूड इज सी ऐसा नहीं है आई डोंट हैव जंक फूड, बट देयर इज अ लिमिटेशन टू इट. I mean, if you go beyond that and you make that as your
What
staple
is the
diet,
limitation? Let's answer
once
that.
in a week, once in a 10 days, या फिर एक सेव पूरी की प्लेट में से एक या दो पीसेस खा लेना is limitation. I mean, when you see cake and no one is looking at you and you gobble down 2, 3 pieces of it, that's not done. I mean, 2 to 3 bites of it is okay. Okay. So I'm not saying I'm not robbing you of the pleasures of your life. Okay. But at the same time, I'm also saying कि आप करो, but then you should have that limit. Okay. And you should know your limit. Don't go overboard. Okay. Another food that is important is your sugars. Okay. White sugar. There are many healthy alternatives. मीठा चाहिए ना आपको खाने में. There are healthy alternative. Coconut sugar, jaggery. You have
Honey, maple
stevia.
syrup,
You have honey. Yeah,
stevia.
you can say. Absolutely, absolutely.
Date syrup.
With raisins. Okay, raisins. So वो मत खाइए. Anything that is foreign to your body, okay, that is not grown on plants, okay, that is not grown in the soil. You should not be having that, okay. Even packet foods, okay, junk food तो है, मगर मैंने चिवड़ा खा लिया, मैंने कोई dry snacks खा लिया, whatever it is, try making it at home, yeah. Okay, hi Dr. Sneha. So try making at home. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो आप घर पे नहीं बना सकते, right? And I'm very sure in this lockdown everyone must have experienced अच्छा I'm missing बाहर का खाना तो सब घर पे बनाया, and I'm sure 80 to 90% have felt that making food at home wasn't as easy and exciting as it was going out and eating. So yes, definitely. Of course, third is excess oil. Okay, anything in excess is not good. So excess oil. अच्छा ज़्यादा चिलीज खाने से, ज़्यादा तीखा खाने से you will not your hair, आपके hair नहीं झड़ेंगे. I don't know, this is a weird way of questions. Okay, that come there. अरे ज़्यादा तीखा खाने से नहीं होता. Okay, so anything that is natural will never harm you. So that you have to be careful. So अगर आपने ये 3 चीजों का ध्यान रख लिया ना, your junk, your sugar, and your oil, I think that should be good enough for you to have a good start for healthy hair.
Great. And one thing is, what are your 6 tips for healthy hair? But before that, I would like to ask this question is, are salads really good for healthy hair? Do salads promote healthy hair?
Of course. 100%. As I just said that जो मैंने खाना बताया, जैसे sprouts है, येलो एंड ऑरेंज कलर वेजिटेबल्स हैं या फिर लीफी वेजिटेबल्स हैं, ओके, यू हैव अ वे of inculcating them in your diet, all right? And if you make it more interesting, then it's going to be very exciting. So nourish your body, and one of the best way to nourish it through salads and good vegetables. आपके जो ट्रेडिशनल वेजिटेबल्स हैं, ओके, हाय रिद्धि, आपके जो ट्रेडिशनल वेजिटेबल्स हैं, जो आप ट्रेडिशनली खाते थे, आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स खाते थे, सो यू शुड बेसिकली इंडल्ज इन दैट, ओके। और अगर आपको सैलेड्स बोरिंग लगते हैं, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ यार सैलेड्स अच्छे हैं मगर बोरिंग है, ओके, कॉन्टैक्ट ध्वनि, ओके, शी विल ऑल्सो टीच यू हाउ टू इनकलकेट विथ लो कैल ड्रेसिंग्स, okay. So she will really help you in that. Also, smoothies is a very good way of having raw food. So guys, I think try it once for the sake of your good hair and skin. Yeah.
Thank you so much for answering it and validating that salads really help in promoting our healthy hair. We'll
it's important.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, go ahead.
No, it's very important because people feel कि healthy खाना ना boring होता है. नहीं होता है. It is not like that. It's just that we are not open to explore how to make it interesting. और पहले लोग नहीं थे ये बताने के लिए कि उसको कैसे इंटरेस्टिंग बनाते हैं. Thanks to people like you who make food very interesting to have. So हम बताते हैं, वो आप इंटरेस्टिंग बनवाते हो.
Thank you. Really, this means a lot.
Yeah.
So we'll take a question before we answer the final question. What's the daily intake of proteins one needs to fulfill, and what are the best ways to achieve for a vegetarian?
Okay. So daily intake of protein is what your weight is. What your ideal body weight is your daily intake of proteins. As simple as that. अगर आप 50 किलो के हैं, have 50 grams of protein. आप actually 40 to 50 grams. So 0.8 grams or 1 gram into your weight is your daily intake of proteins. Okay, कुछ लोग बोलेंगे मैं 105 kgs का हूँ, they start having that much of protein. Don't do that. Okay, I said ideal body weight. Okay, so that is there. And vegetarian sources are your dals, your pulses, your milk and milk products. Moreover, your tofu, okay, soya bean, broccoli, nuts, oil seeds. See, we have so much. Okay? And it's just that we need to increase the quantity of it and have better quality. Okay, vegetarian proteins are more preferred over what you get from your milk and milk products. All right.
Someone is saying, Riya, you're totally amazing. Your diet is, and I totally changed myself with your diet. So
I know she will love it, Sheetal. Thank you. Yeah.
So, yeah, one last and quick question we would like to go with is, what are your 6 tips for healthy hair?
My 6 tips for healthy hair, most of which are external. Okay, क्योंकि enough internal का ज्ञान दे दिया, but there's something that you need to have or look after. First and important thing is, before even I go into the tips, okay, guys, very important to first accept the way you are. Your hair is, okay, I cannot have a straight hair. मैंने बहुत सालों तक कोशिश की, trust me, वो straight नहीं हुए, and finally I am loving the way my hair are. Okay, respect the looks that you have. Love your hair will start loving you back. Very important. Okay, आपको शायद ये believe नहीं होगा, but give it a try, give it a shot, and you will see the difference. Yes, Dhwani, I know. All right, and thank you. Going into the tips. Okay, the tips, first thing is, हमें ऐसा लगता है और बोला गया है कि रोज तेल डालो, तेल डालने से आपका हेयर ग्रोथ होगा. Okay, they are not wrong. हमारे पूर्वज wrong नहीं बोलते थे, but there was a reason behind it. When you oil your hair, okay, there is a particular motion. आप ऐसे ही बालों में तेल डाल के खत्म नहीं करते ना, you massage it, right? वो थोड़ा सा आप करते हो, even if it is for 5 minutes. So ये जो मसाज है, okay, ये जो मसाज है, that activates the hair growth. So that can be done without oil also, right? So just move your fingers in a circular motion for 5 minutes every day before going to bed. All right. So this is what all it wants. Second thing, okay? Second thing is that wrap your hair with a thin cloth or something. Don't tie it very tightly and go to sleep. Okay. So protect your hair even when you're going out. Okay. Do a style which protects your hair. Don't leave it long hair open for a long period of time. All right. Um, Another tip which I cannot forget and I cannot stress enough on this, which should be taken very seriously by every one of y'all, is have enough water. If you don't have water, you will see your hair going brittle, frizzy. Okay, you consult your doctor. Okay, consult your homeopathy doctor who really specializes in hair and skin. They will tell you the right skin type, the hair type, and suggest you the right shampoo and conditioner. Don't use the wrong shampoo and conditioner. It will spoil your hair. तो आप अंदर ध्यान रख रहे हो मगर बाहर ये चीजों का ध्यान नहीं रखोगे तो then it can create an issue. Okay. Also, avoid hot showers. Okay, I have a post on that. Avoid really hot showers on your head. It burns your scalp or the roots or the pores, okay, to a level. So hair doesn't like that. It will freeze off. आप सोचो ना आपके ऊपर अगर गर्म पानी गिर गया तो आपको कैसा लगेगा, right? How will you cringe? So the hair also cringes like that. Okay, so don't do that. Okay. Do not brush your hair immediately after you have a hair bath. Okay, take care of it. हल्के से हाथ घुमाइए. So these are the few little things that you can do to yourself, like right to your hair. I mean, show a little mercy, be a little kind to your hair. Okay, don't curse it all the time. शी झाड़ू जैसे बाल है, शी ये तो नहीं हो रहे. Okay, fine. Rather than that, you were not born with that hair, right? Because of a lot of different chemicals that we used, just अच्छा दिखने के लिए, we actually ruined it, right? So I think if you use the right products, if you nourish yourself from inside, okay, you will definitely have better quality of hair. I am a living example of this. I have experimented so much. Okay, if you hear this, you will be like, oh my God, how can you even give this gyan if you've done so much to your hair? But then sooner or later, I realized and I changed my perception towards the way of my hair is growing. Okay, so love your hair. Okay, and last and not the least, aloe vera, homemade DIY masks. Homemade DIY masks are excellent. Okay, go for it. करते रहो आपकी हेयर टाइप के हिसाब से you can actually have a lot of experiments. They do not harm. हेयर पार्लर में जाके हेयर स्पा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can do it at home. Okay. ये जो मैं बोल रही हूँ, all this information is there on my post. You can check my posts. And I have written a little bit elaborately. I have mentioned about the smoothie as well and certain foods. So you can just have a look at that.
Thank you so much, Riya, for this. There are some questions that I would like to take.
Sure. Yeah.
What would you suggest for hair loss? So what would you suggest to control hair loss?
Hair loss, first thing, check within. Okay, check within. If you're having enough nourishment, the way it is being told to you, आप अपने आप को enough nourish कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, hormonal changes हैं या नहीं, certain vitamin deficiencies है या नहीं. Once you've done that, okay. Another thing is check the products that you're using, chemical free है. Okay, so check all that. If you have enough amount of protein and iron and zinc in a little, because zinc is required in a little quantity, if you manage to do this, then you will surely have good, you'll be able to arrest your hair loss, because these vitamins are important to, strengthen your hair and make your hair look more voluminous.
So one more thing is,
Yes.
is there any specific oil to use for hair?
Honestly, coconut oil is the best. Okay, but then you can always have a mixture of oil. You can have mixture of oil like coconut oil में ही आपने थोड़ा सा castor oil डाल दिया, थोड़ा जासुंद, the red flowers जो आप गणेश जी का favorite है, वो जासुंद, black till oil, इन सब का mixture करें. Okay, you can put little methi powder into it. You can put a little cinnamon powder to it. Okay, and apply it on your hair. जरूरी नहीं है उसे गरम करना. You can just apply it. Okay, so that will also help. In fact, having 1 teaspoon of coconut oil also help. Consuming 1 teaspoon of coconut oil every day has multiple benefits. Okay, very soon I'll be coming up with a post on that. But yes, it definitely has a lot of health benefits. I cannot just feature one, but it's good for your hair, is what I can say.
And we have one question. What is paraben? I've heard that it's in shampoos and it's bad.
Must be, I don't know. But this is a chemical. Looks, oh, so sorry. This sounds like a chemical. So anything that is chemical is not good. So yes, has to be avoided. Honestly, the best answer, see, I'm a nutritionist, okay? I can give you in-depth knowledge about what nourishment to be given from inside. Okay, if you ask me anything about, what are sulfates, what does a sulfate do, and what does a paraben do, and what does a XYZ thing do, I'm not the right person, guys. Okay, it's better to consult a trichologist, okay, or a hair expert, yeah, a trichologist. And very soon we'll have one on with a live session with one of them, so you can actually ask your questions that time.
Great. And does changing shampoo damage hair?
It does. Depends on what you're changing. What you're changing to, of course. Any change will either do good or bad. Okay. So, and there has to be a reason, no, why you're changing. ऐसी शौक है अलग 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 change करना तो फिर God bless you. But then choose the right, consult the doctor. Choose the right hair. It won't damage your hair.
Great.
Don't
So I
experiment.
think this was a pretty much awesome session, and we have given a lot of information on what foods to eat and what foods to not eat for healthy hair. And thank you, Ria, for this information. I think the smoothie also mentioned by you is very easy to incorporate in our diet. And for
Yes.
everyone who's trying to get into any kind of a fitness agenda in terms of diet, please contact Ria. She will be the right person to guide you through. And I think we good to go. We're signing off.
Yes, and anybody who wants to inculcate your food or your meals with salads and smoothies and some interesting recipes, one bowl meals which are healthy, okay, but they are interesting and they are tasty, nutritious. Dhwani's Oh Mind Your Body is one place to go, and you should try it once. I mean, don't go by my words. Try it and then tell me. Okay.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, Ria, for the kind words. And
Yes.
Gada KRP, yeah, you can just check my Instagram account and you'll be guided through for my website and everything. And I think, yeah, if any questions, you can always DM us, guys. We'll be there, always replying to your questions and queries. Thank you, Ria, for
Thank
being
you.
there. Thank you, guys,
Yes.
for being such an awesome audience. And
Thank
I
you.
shall
Yes.
take your leave, Ria.
Yes, thank you so much, and see you next week, same time, 6 o'clock on Wednesday with another new interesting topic. You want to know what it is? You got to wait.
Please answer, Ria.
You got to wait. You got to
Yeah,
wait.
so
Okay,
we
or
having
check
this
my
meeting.
post. Yeah, you got to check my posts, or you got to check Dhwani's post to know, and guess, what is the next post
Topic.
or series or topic all about.
Yeah, so we signing off, guys. Stay tuned for next episode, same time next Wednesday for another interesting episode of Foods for a Healthy Lifestyle. Let's see what the new topic is next week. Bye. Signing off.
Bye.
Manigala
Thank you,
and Ria
Ria.
Joshi.
Thank you. Bye.